Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. I thought I'd throw up a quick vlog here while I'm on location down at Kapper Outdoors in Southern Illinois. In the short time we've been here, we've managed to film quite a few things. And it's nice coming down here to get away for the wife and I, but also to peel Joe away from a lot of his serious videos when he's in the excavator or the skid steer or running around on his Polaris. We just kind of put the brakes on that and we enjoy ourselves and have some fun and make some humor videos. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea over at Joe's channel, but I do know there's a lot of people that do enjoy it when he cuts loose and has fun. And I like to bring the best out of Joe while we're down here. And we have filmed some pretty crazy things so far. Now some of these might air on Joe's channel later on, some might air on mine. He just recently put up a vlog similar to this to let his crowd know what we've been up to the last couple days and what we're going to get into the next few days down the road here. So anyway, stay tuned on this channel, and if you're not subscribed to Joe's, check his channel out to see what we got ourselves into during our stay down here at Kapper Outdoors.
No, because I figured you wanted to wait until...
We say, CJ, man, my wrists are really sore. I really worked that excavator hard today.
So how crazy is this? I'm videoing.
Who are you videoing?
Sharon, who's videoing
Wait.
Joe, who's videoing Lori, making a video.
I'm videoing the deer now.
Hey,
Oh,
Lori.
wait, I'm videoing the deer too.
Oh, wait. Wait, I think I missed you.
Now you see how hard I work every day.
Does anyone believe him? Anyone?
Did you see that ninja dodge?
I'm surprised you didn't push him in it. Oh, it's getting better on there than through these things.
So CJ, if you what are the chunks of wood you got there?
And yes, I don't know how he did it, but the Schickster managed to sneak in our vehicle and hitch a ride via us down here on this visit. So he will be in some of these videos, as you can see. Anyway, thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. I hope you enjoyed this quick update vlog and a little sneak peek at what's coming down the road. Cheers.